shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Check media.
Okay. What up? Yeah. Everything alright at the house over there tied down? Good enough? I was about to say, they need me to, I'd run over this, and as soon as I sent that text message, it started coming back down over here.
Next step is get the exterior handles put on, get all the logos done, get all the wiring finished, close up the walls, wrap the walls, install all the equipment, and then it's time to pump some iron. Done, turned out beautiful, but one little problem. It's empty. So Gunner has all this custom equipment getting made for it, but our issue is we're delayed. Well, we finally got our equipment for the trailer. Now it's custom made specifically for the trailer to fit perfect. The problem is it's a little bit too tall. So what we're gonna have to do, take some measurements, cut it up, make it fit, re-drill, remodify, get it in. Next, on Inside West Coast Custom. This trailer. Yeah. You're gonna have to. No bad news. All good news. All good news. Ultimately, I need you to test it. What's gonna happen? Like, force everything, correct? Yeah, but are you gonna pull it down?
When you're looking to maximize your space, when you want strength to handle whatever comes your way, for portability and reliability, nothing beats the MaxJax Portable Car Lift by Bedpack. Visit MaxJax.com today.
The live music that you've been waiting for all year. Country music's biggest love, the CMA Awards. Live performances you can only see here, like these incredible collaborations. The CMA Awards live tonight, 8/7 Central on ABC.
Who is USAA made for? It's made for this guy, a veteran who honorably served. And it's made for her. She's serving now. We made for all branches and all ranks, whether they served one tour or made a career. We also made USAA for military spouses and their kids. USAA is easy to work with. You can save you money on auto, home, and renters insurance. Become a member today. Get an insurance quote at USAA.com/quote. USAA. What you're made of, we're made for.
The best way to get the new, large, retopping $10 Tastemaker is also the easiest, with contactless curbside pickup.